Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about all the healthy foods that you can eat during winters to keep your body healthy from inside and outside. So watch this video till end and also please subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. So let's get started. So healthy diet means a healthy lifestyle. It includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, dry fruits and a lots of more things. Eating healthy also means avoiding foods with high amount of salt and sugar. Eating well is the fundamental step towards a good health. In winters, we are more prone to get sick and more likely to catch a cold. So eating the right food can help you stay strong and healthy during winters. There are many foods that are available in winter that keeps us warm and provides nutrients that are most important for our body during this season. So here is a list of few foods that will help you get a healthy and energetic winters. So the first food item is sweet potatoes. They are high in nutrients and they are a rich source of fiber, vitamin A and potassium. The regular consumption of sweet potatoes can improve your immunity and also keeps your body strong. So the second highly nutritious thing to eat are dates. They are called the powerhouse of nutrients and regular intake of dates helps your body to stay warm during winters. The next very great thing to eat in your daily life are almonds and walnuts. They keep us warm and they also keeps our nervous system active and they are also good for your heart. So almonds and walnuts are a must to have in your winters. The fourth most beneficial thing to eat in winters is jaggery. It is loaded with minerals such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, manganese and zinc. It is highly recommended for people with low hemoglobin as it boosts the hemoglobin and also purifies the blood. It is a good source of energy and you can use jaggery in place of sugar whenever possible. Winters are no winters without carrots. They are a rich source of vitamin A and they are also rich in beta-carotene, fibers, potassium and antioxidants. Carrots are popularly known for boosting your eyesight and also improves the overall health. So guys, if you eat the right food at the right time, they will help you cope up with all the health issues. There are many more food items that can be eaten to keep our body healthy like spinach, peas, broccoli and many more which are a great source of nutrients. So guys, I hope this video will help you and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also check my previous videos and I've provided the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.